Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to open demo account in Interactive Brokers. Alright, so let's begin with the video. There are actually a few different ways you can do this, depending on whether you're new to Interactive Brokers or you already have a live account. The first method is by using the official Interactive Brokers website. Once you're on the site, click on Trading at the top, then select Platforms. At the top, you'll see a free trial button. Click on that and then scroll down at the bottom, then choose Start Your Free Trial. From here, you'll just need to enter some basic information such as your email address, username, and password. You'll also need to confirm your details, select your country, and set your marketing preferences. After that, you can start your free trial right away. On the left side, you'll also be able to see exactly what features and tools are included with the demo account. The second method is for users who already have a real Interactive Brokers account. If you're already using IBKR, you can easily access a demo account through paper trading. This works across all platforms, including the web client, web portal, mobile app, and IBKR desktop. Interactive Brokers allows you to switch between live trading and paper trading at any time. When you select paper trading, you can log in using the same username and password you use for your live account. Once you log into paper trading, you'll be given a simulated account with virtual funds, usually around $1 million in your local currency. If you're using IBKR Mobile, there's also an option directly on the login screen. Those are the main ways to open and use a demo account with Interactive Brokers. And that's it. So that's basically how you can open demo account in Interactive Brokers. Thanks.